Introducing BACtrack's most affordable personal breathalyzer, the BACtrack Keychain. Measuring only 2.5 inches high and weighing just 2 ounces, the BACtrack Keychain is also one of the smallest breathalyzers in the world. Powered by BACtrack's Advanced MicroCheck Sensor technology, the Keychain delivers reliable and accurate BAC results you can trust at the touch of a button. Included with the Keychain are 1 AAA battery, 3 reusable mouthpieces, and the instruction manual. Operating the Keychain is easy. Simply power on the device and wait for the countdown timer to begin. It's important to wait 15 minutes after eating, drinking, or smoking before testing. This ensures that your results are as accurate as possible. Once ready, take a deep breath and blow through the mouthpiece until the beeping stops. The Keychain's innovative fold-out mouthpiece ensures that only a precise breath sample enters the alcohol sensor, while ambient air and other external pollutants are kept out. Once your breath sample has been analyzed, your BAC result is displayed on an easy-to-read LCD screen. Drink smarter with BACtrack, the leader in breathalyzers.